Okay, today we are going to study one small topic, that is calculation of retiring partner's share in current or estimated years of profit. Now, whenever a partner is retiring or when he is deceased, that time sometimes we may, as per the partnership deed, uh, we have to pay him his share of profit in the profit up to the time he was there with us. Okay, so in admission that problem doesn't arise because the partner is newly coming in the business, but in retirement and death of a partner is contributing his services to the firm. So while going, we have to give all the things which are there in his share. Okay, and one of the topic is regarding his share in profit. Now, taking this example, X, Y, and Z are equal partners in a firm. Z retires on 1st January 2016. In this, I have taken one example. This problem I have already sent you on WhatsApp. I am reading it for you. X, Y, and Z are equal partners. So the profit sharing ratio between X, Y, Z is equal. Okay. Z retires on 1st January 2016. He is retiring on 1st January 2016. The firm's profit for the year ended 31st March 2015. Profit for the year ending 31st March 2015 was rupees 45,000. So our previous year is 31st March 2015, and our partner was working with us till 1st January. So from March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. He was there with us for 9 months. Okay. So we are told to calculate his Z share of profit till the date of his retirement. So what is the method of calculating his share of profit is, the last year's profit we are estimating that this year also we are going to earn the same amount of profit, and in that profit we are going to give his share of profit. Okay, so we will take Z share of profit is equal to, we have to take this profit which is given 45,000, then multiply by his share 1 upon 3, multiply by how many months he was there with us. Okay, so 45,000 multiply by his share multiply by the period. Okay, so 9 upon 12, and the answer comes to 11,250. Now what about the journal entry which will come in the partner's capital account and balance sheet? You have to pass a journal entry for this. You have to credit that partner's capital, retiring partner's account to profit and loss suspense account, debit to Z's capital account. This is the journal entry, 11,250. 11,250. Okay, so one entry will come in partner's capital account credit side as profit and loss suspense account, and the second effect will be in balance sheet on asset side. Well, so in the problem it will come in partner's capital account credit side, and in balance sheet asset side as profit and loss suspense account. In the same manner, if during the year the partnership deed has provided interest on capital, we have to calculate that interest on capital to the partner till the date of his retirement and show it in partner's capital account, and also we are going to add that amount in profit and loss suspense account. The balance return आम्ही add करून जाय आणि दाखवून जाय कितें तेका आम्ही पार्टनराक फारीक करता पळय till the date of retirement. In the balance sheet, we are going to add it to profit and loss suspense account and show it in partner's capital account. Okay, thank you. Okay, we are taking the next problem which I have already sent to you. That is the sixth problem. M, R and S were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1:3. M, R and S are partners with a profit sharing ratio of 2:1:3, and their balance sheet is as follows. Then on 30th June 2017, S retired and the following adjustments were made. So S is retired, and is retired on which date? Our balance sheet is on 31st March 2017 and is retiring on 30th June 2017. Okay, so he is retiring in between of the year. So March, April, May, June. He was there with us for 3 months. Okay. Now I will show you the first working note regarding first adjustment, second, third adjustment. Goodwill of the firm was valued at an average profit of last 3 years, which was as follows. Okay. So when old ratio is there and new ratio is not given, gain ratio is equal to, you have to cancel the retiring partner share, whatever is remaining is your gain ratio, M and R. Okay. So goodwill, you are told to take out the average of 3 years of profit. So it is coming as, you had average profit of 3 years. Years of purchase is not given. So we will take the profit directly. 1,50,000 plus 1,20,000 and 1,80,000. Divided by 3 is equal to, it comes to 4,50,000 divided by 3, which is 1,50,000. So goodwill of the firm is 1,50,000. So we have to take out who is retiring his share as share of goodwill is equal to 1,50,000 multiplied by his share is 3 upon 6, 3/6 share is equal to 75,000. This 75,000 we have to distribute in gain ratio. Called continuing partner M and R. M and R, 75,000 multiplied by gain ratio 2:1. So 2 upon 3 and 75,000 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Now answer comes to 50,000 and 25,000. So this is the calculation of goodwill. Goodwill amka average profit is sangla. It is not told 2 years of purchase or 3 years of purchase. So average profit at goodwill at 1,50,000. From that you take out the retiring partner share. That you distribute among the continuing partners in the gain ratio. Now we will see the last adjustment. The last adjustment is given as S share of profit till the date of his retirement shall be calculated on the basis of previous year's profit. So you have to calculate S share of profit. Now the previous year's profit in the problem it is given as, in the previous adjustment goodwill आंगडा जे 3 वर्षाचे आमका profit दिला पळय, March 2015, March 2016 and March 2017. So the previous year's profit will be 1,80,000. In the old balance sheet profit is not given, it is given in the third adjustment. So that profit we have to take, and in that we have to take out that retiring partner's share. So S share of profit is equal to 1,80,000 multiplied by his share 3 upon 6 multiplied by how many months he was there for? 3 months till June. So March आमची balance sheet दिला ते March and April, May, June. So the answer is 22,500. So this will go to profit and loss suspense account. Okay. So we are finished with the working note. We have goodwill and share in the profit and loss account. So it goes to profit and loss suspense account 22,500. Now we will prepare revaluation account. Now we will solve first revaluation account. We will come directly to the adjustments. Building depreciated by 5%. Now in the old balance sheet building is given 5,40,000. It is depreciated by how much? 5%. So 5% comes to 27,000. So we will write it is depreciation, so it will come this side to building 27,000. Next we have machinery appreciated by 120%. Machinery we are having in the old balance sheet 2,40,000. So whenever it is given 120% means what? The machinery has appreciated 20%. सदी तो फिगर आमच्या ओल्ड बॅलन्स शीटान असताना तो 100% असता, 20% वाढला. So you calculate only 20%. You don't calculate 120%. If you calculate 120%, that amount minus this amount you have to make, and you will get the difference. Okay, 48,000. That 48,000 you have to write here. Otherwise, the easy way is that 20% कितले increase झाला, 100% वयर 100% वयर कितले गेला 20%. So तेचेर काढा. आणि सपोज 90% आसले जाल्यार 100 कितले कमी झाला 10%. So 10% decrease झाला, 20% increase झाला. So you find out like that. So it will come this side by machinery 48,000. And in the old balance sheet you mark there also adjustments, wherever adjustments are there. Stock is revalued at rupees 80,000. Stock in the old balance sheet it is given 74,000. आणि आता adjustment झाला की तो 80,000 झाला, so increase झालो. So buy stock 6,000. So no more adjustment. If these adjustments are over, in total this side is more. 48 आणि 6,000 ने कितले 54,000. So your problem on profit असा. So 54,000 minus 27,000 is 27,000, and you distribute it to the profit transferred to another partner's name M, R and S in their old ratio. So it comes to 9,000, 4,500 and 13,500. This amount you have to distribute in old ratio. तिगा पार्टनरांक तीनू पार्टनर काम करताले, सो तिगा पार्टनरांक ओल्ड रेशो आमी तेंका प्रॉफिट शेअर दिले. Okay, so with this we complete the revaluation account. Then we go to partners capital account. Okay, next we'll go to prepare partners capital account, and we know partners capital account always we first see the old balance sheet. Capital कितें आहा ते आमी पयली partners capital account ट्रान्सफर करूंक जाय, आणि general reserve बी आहा ते distribute करूंक जाय. So liability side we have M's capital and R's capital. So we bring it down by balance brought down. M's capital is 3,70,000. 3,70,000. R is 2,60,000. S capital is not there. But general reserve 2,40,000. Distribute in the old profit sharing ratio, that is, what is that old profit sharing ratio? 2:1:3. And then so share at 80,000, 40,000 and 1,20,000. So by general reserve in the old ratio you distribute, it comes to 80,000, 40,000, 1,20,000. Okay. At the old balance sheet on liability side in the come to the asset side. You have to check both the sides. Building, machinery, data, stock. S capital is given on the asset side. That means what? S is having a debit balance. So bring it this side. 2 balance brought down. S capital दिला 20,000. Okay. Always you have to, in the old balance sheet, each and every entry you have to go through, because sometimes both the side items are there and you have to, otherwise you forget to bring them. Then come to your adjustments. गुडविलाचो शेअर आम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट केला अँड इट विल कम बोथ द साइड द जर्नल एंट्री एसा क्रेडिट करू जाय आणि एम आणि आर डेबिट करू जाय. सो बाय एम कॅपिटल आणि बाय आर्स कॅपिटल amount will come as 50,000 and 20,000 and इनका डेबिट करूँगा to S capital 50,000 and 20. Sorry, it is 25,000. and 25,000. Then we have calculated that last share of the retiring partner. So you have to write it here as by profit and loss expense account, and it will come in his column. Amount is 22,500. Then we have revaluation profit. That also we have to bring by revaluation account. And the revaluation is what we have calculated just now, 9,000, 4,500 and 13,500. Okay. What else is remaining? We have finished. And last samla ki amount payable to S should be transferred to his loan account. तो ऐसा जो अमाउंट उठता कोई बैलेंस तो त्याच्या लोन अकाउंटाक ट्रान्सफर कर सांगला. So to S loan account we have to find out by calculating the difference. Always balance the retiring partner first. So the credit side total is 2,31,000. Put it both the side minus 20,000. So difference है था 2,11,000. Okay. So S loan is 2,11,000. Now you total other partners 4,59,000. आणि दुसरा पार्टनर हा तो 3,04,500. So you have to write it as to balance carried down. आणि याचा येता 4,09,000. आणि दुसरा पार्टनर 2,79,500. Okay. So with this our partner's capital account is over. Now we will prepare balance sheet. So in the balance sheet we have to always see our old balance sheet. It is starting with the capital. So I will write capital over here. And while writing the capital you have to write the capital which is there in your partner's capital account as balance carried down. So balance carried down on M असा आणि R असा continuing partner and त्यांचे balance मिळा 4,09,000. आणि दुसरा पार्टनर असा 2,79,500. ओके. सो टोटल जाता 6,88,560. आणि ते पार्टनराचे एसाचे लोन हा न्हू ते सेपरेट दाखवून एस लोन अकाउंट इट इज 2,11,000. Now the remaining items you have to bring whether adjustment is there. No. So creditors आहा ते हाडून तशेंच बरोवप. Creditors म्हणजे 58,000 आणि bills payable 82,000. Okay. Now come to the asset side. So building adjustment असा 5,40,000 minus depreciation 27,000. Okay. 5,40,000 27 काढले 5,13,000. next item machinery माझी 2,40,000 plus appreciate झाला 48,000, so 2,88,000. मागीर stock 74,000 stock भी appreciate झाला 6,000, so it comes to 80,000. Bank, no adjustments are there, so directly outer column. So bank pay केल्ले न्हू आमी cash नाल्यार हांगासून minus जातले, so here no adjustment. Debtors also no adjustment. हांगा स्कोरिंग आसा, adjustment आहा तेका directly on. आनी जो आमी profit and loss suspense account calculate केला न्हू, तो without fail हांगा हाडून दाखोवंक जाय 25,000. Just not 25,000, 22,500. $22,500 profit and loss suspense account. So last, when you total your both, when we total our both liability side and asset side, the total comes to 10,39,500. The profit and loss suspense is 22,500, and here it is 6,88,500. Okay. Balance sheet is telling means only thing you remember that always whenever adjustment is there, you have to post the entries in two places. So without fail, you have to check each and every entry that you have posted in the right place. Okay. So here we have studied regarding how to record profit and loss suspense account. Now as I told you, if during the year we are paying to the partner commission, salary, interest on capital, आणि त्याचा शेअर प्रॉफिटांचो रिटायर जाता ते मेरेन ते सगळे ऍड करून न्हू we have to show to this profit and loss suspense account. We have to add all that item every year. And if there is drawings, interest on drawing, you have to minus from profit and loss suspense account. Okay, this will be, you have to do only if it is given in the problem adjustment. And profit and loss suspense account will come in partners capital account. Interest on capital will come in partners capital account, plus in the balance sheet you have to add to this. Okay, I hope you all have understood what I have explained to you today, and I will stop here. And I want you all, if any queries are there or any difficulty is there, you can WhatsApp me and I will solve your problems or difficulties. I will try my best. Okay, and thank you.